Servicio is hereby awarded to Emmanuel Ryan E. De La Rosa for having satisfactorily completed the Pre-Grade 2 A2 for the Early Childhood Care and Development Program, semester year 2025 to 2026, given this day, 24th day of March 2026, at the Inaris Event Center, Barangay San Roque, Antipolo City.
Sa kanila. Yun, kanina sa akin din daw yun.
Ito na po ang congratulations. Ako si Mayor Inares.
Baw pa, baw. Baw pa, baw. Dali, baw.